Today, I'll show you how to change Microsoft Planner background. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser, or open it from Microsoft Teams if your plan is connected there. Sign in with the Microsoft account that has access to your plan. Once Planner opens, choose the plan where you want to change the background. If you are using Planner in a browser, look near the top of the plan page. You should see the plan name and some menu options. Click the three dots, or More Options, near the plan name. From the menu, look for an option called Plan Settings. Click Plan Settings. Now look for the background or theme options. Microsoft Planner usually gives you a selection of background images or colors. These backgrounds help you make the plan easier to recognize, especially if you manage several different plans. Choose the background you like. Once you select it, Planner should apply the background to your plan automatically. Now go back to the main board view and check how it looks. If you do not like the new background, open Plan Settings again and choose a different one. If you are using Planner inside Microsoft Teams, the steps may look a little different. Open Teams, go to the team and channel where the Planner tab is added, then open the Planner board. Look for the Plan menu or More Options button, then open the Plan Settings if available. If you do not see the background option in Teams, try opening the same plan directly in Microsoft Planner through your browser. Some settings may be easier to find in the web version. Also remember that you may need the right permission to change plan settings. If you cannot change the background, you might not be the plan owner, or your organization may limit some options. So, to keep it simple, open your plan, click the three dots near the plan name, go to Plan Settings, choose a background, and check the result on your board. And that's how you change Microsoft Planner background. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.